In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tracking number to Aftership. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your preferred web browser and search for Aftership. In the results, click the official Aftership website. A quick tip here. Choose the result that clearly shows the official domain and a secure lock icon in the address bar. That helps you avoid lookalike pages and gets you to the right place faster. Once you're on the site, click Login. Use your usual method to access your workspace. Keep your credentials secure, and if your organization uses single sign-on, follow that flow as you normally would. When you're in, look to the left sidebar and select Tracking. This takes you to the tracking area where you manage all your shipments. From the tracking dashboard, click Shipments. You'll land on a list where each row represents a shipment you're monitoring. To add one manually, click Add Shipment. A form will open. Enter the tracking number first, as that's the key identifier. Then set the carrier or courier. If you're not sure of the carrier, many accounts support auto detection, but choosing the correct one up front improves accuracy. Add the carrier origin, which is the shipment's starting country or location, and include the order number so you can match this shipment to your order system. Fill any other relevant fields you see, such as destination details, service level, or reference notes. The more complete your entry, the better your tracking insights and notifications later. When everything looks correct, click Save. You should now see the shipment in your list. New entries often appear with a pending status until the first carrier scan. If you're importing several shipments at once, use the bulk option. Click CSV Import, then select Import by CSV. This is ideal when you have multiple tracking numbers to add in one go. Upload your CSV file and click Import File. Make sure your columns line up with Aftership's expected fields. Common ones include tracking number, carrier, origin, and order identifier. Consistent formats like using standard country codes and clear date formats help avoid mismatches. After the import, it's good practice to spot check entries. Open any shipment that needs more detail and add the missing information per tracking number. When you're done updating a record, click Update or Save to keep your changes. That's it. You've seen both the manual method for a single shipment and the CSV route for bulk uploads. Save your work, verify that the new shipments appear in your list, and you're ready to track them all in one place.